In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can place an order without paying, just like me. As you can see, it says here pay now. Now this is what's called unpaid order. Now to do that, what you need to do, guys, you just need to click on Aliexpress in the top left, and you want to find a product that you want to purchase. Okay, for example, this one. Now if you want the seller to reduce the price, you want to create unpaid order so that you can contact the seller later to reduce the price. You can do that. Okay, that's the purpose of creating unpaid order, is to contact the seller after you create the unpaid order, and the seller will be able, guys, to reduce the price. Or you just want to create a lot of unpaid orders and you want to pay all of them at once. Okay, now a lot of people in the comments say that are we going to get the item? Like, some people think that this is a cash on delivery thing. No, this is just for dropshippers and people who want to place an order on Aliexpress without paying, so that the price will be reduced by the seller. That's exactly the purpose, guys, of creating unpaid order. Okay, or placing an order without paying. You are not going to get the item. Okay, you are just going to wait for the seller to reduce the price so that you can pay for that. You can pay that price. Okay, now you want to click on buy now and you want to enter this credit card information. I'm going to change it to this one, and you want to click on view more, and then you want to enter here, you want to add the new card. Okay, you want to add this information that I'm about to add in the description of this video. Okay, this is the card number, this is the month, and the year. The month is 1 January, the year is 49. If you don't want to copy and paste it, you can do this manually. You can just, as you can see, the number, the card number, and the month, the year, and the CVV is 730, and click here. Yeah, enter the CVV here, and then click save and confirm, and then you want to click on pay now here. That's exactly how you can create unpaid order. Now if you click on account and my orders, you will be able, guys, to see the unpaid order here. Now you can contact the seller here, so that the seller will reduce the price if you want, if that's what you want. Okay, this is not, you will not get this until you pay for this. Okay, see you guys next video. Please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys next video. I reply to every single comment. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you guys next video.